Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, electrical graduates, chemical graduates and wait a minute, IT graduates and metallurgy graduates can make the best use of it. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is BHEL, that is Bharat Heavy Electrical Ltd. Now they are recruiting 2022 job vacancy. No gate examination is required. You will be getting a salary of 60,000 rupees and it's a permanent job. Final years are eligible to apply. So BHEL is now recruiting. Regarding the company, you know very well, they are very integrated power plant equipment manufacturers and one of the largest engineering and manufacturing company in India in terms of turnover. Company website is given here. You can click there and check the company official website. So now BHEL is recruiting graduates and offering challenging and rewarding career to young dynamic graduates in discipline of civil, mechanical, IT, electrical, chemical, metallurgy. So civil I just missed it out. So civil graduates can also apply for it, and finance and HR professionals to contribute towards the nation building in the field of power industry, transmission, renewable energy, transportation, energy storage, defense and aerospace, oil and gas and water. So designation will be position is engineer trainee, civil, mechanical, IT, electrical, chemical and metallurgy, and executive training and executive trainee HR. So recruitment organization is Bharat Heavy Electrical Ltd and post name is engineer and executive training. Totally 150 vacancies are there. Category will be engineering jobs. An online application start from 13th September 2022 and last date to apply is 4th October 2022. Selection process is both written and interview. Official website is given here. Salary will be as per the company norms. So job description and education qualification is given side by side. So kindly read everything, and if it matches your profile then apply for it. I am not going to read each and every line. If it matches your profile you just scroll down, and if it applies you means you just go for it. So regarding the training and other things, candidate joining in BHEL will be undergoing training for 1 year, and during the training period you will be getting a basic pay of 50,000 and in the scale of 50 to 1,60,000 will be paid. After successful completion of training, the trainees will be absorbed as an engineer or executive in the pay scale of 60,000. So beside that you will be having other allowances and gratuity and performance related pay, etc. So kindly adhere to it. So online application begin on 13th September 2022. Aspirants satisfying the eligibility can go to online for the job vacancy, and Bhel Recruitment official online link is available. The applicant can apply online by clicking on the link. I will be providing the link in the description. So use the link and apply for the job, and try to follow all the instructions they give so that it will be very easy to crack the interview and grab the job. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to mechanical, electrical, civil, chemical, IT and metallurgy graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.